Hi everyone, I would like to go over our SHPLII project, which is planning poker in JIRA. I think most of you are aware of what a planning poker is, but for those who are new to this, let me give you a little background. So what is planning poker? Planning poker, also called as scrum poker, basically it helps teams estimate time and effort needed to complete a user story in the product backlog. So this is a gamified technique where each member of the team estimates the story points anonymously. Moderator then reveals those anonymous estimates to everyone. In case of any deviation in the story points, team will discuss them until a consensus is reached. Why do we do it? Since it's a relative planning, sprint planning will be faster. Because of its gamified nature, it encourages collaboration and team building. It also sets clear expectations on what is required as part of a ticket. This also avoids one person dictating the estimates, which increases the morale of the team by giving everyone on the team a chance to vote. This can also uncover valuable insights from members of the team during initial stages of the feature development. How do we do it? A typical planning poker session is done using a deck of cards. However, there are also some products in the market which support this kind of planning, but most of them have got issues. They are either paid or if free, they come with a lot of ads. Most of the times, developers need to come out of JIRA, perform planning in the third-party tool, and then go back to the JIRA to update the tickets with story points. A small subset of data might also be shared with the third-party tools, which is kind of a security and privacy concern. Then what's the solution? Have planning poker within JIRA as a native feature. With this, planning poker works seamlessly using native integration, complements our current Atlassian's Agile package, no more data sharing with third-party apps. The idea: assume a team of 5 folks like a scrum master, 2 developers, team lead, and a designer performing a planning session. So a new section for planning poker will be added to the JIRA like this, and this is the view of a scrum master. So scrum master can start a planning session by clicking a button. So you can also add players to this ticket and then start the planning session. Then this is the developer view. Once the developer has been added to the planning session, he can join the session by clicking this button. He can provide the story points. And this is the view of Scrum Master. So we will view all the hidden cards submitted by the developers. He can click on reveal card to showcase the final story points submitted by the team. And this displays average points as well. And once the discussion is done and we finalize the story points, then the Scrum Master can submit the points along with some comments, if any, and then end the planning session. So all the discussions that are done as part of this planning session will be added to the story as a comment, and also the story points will be updated back in the ticket. So planning session is completed for this ticket and story points are assigned. So what's next? So this also supports asynchronous grooming sessions as well, wherein the Scrum Master can initiate the planning for an epic at an epic level or at a story level, and ask developers to provide story points in an asynchronous mode, which essentially drives team anywhere, which essentially supports offline submission as well. Thank you.